Here's a 2018 Chevrolet Cruze. This bold Cruze has the confidence to get you as far as your imagination can take you. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Streaming audio, Wi-Fi hotspot, manual tilting steering column, wireless phone connectivity, manual telescoping steering column, automatic transmission, gas pressurized shocks, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. From the Wall Street Journal, as adapted for the U.S. market, the Cruze is mad for safety with standard equipment 10 standard airbags, rollover sensor, stability control, pre-tensioning front seat belts, and automatic headlamps. There's more than a century of ingenuity and significance in every Chevy. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
At Dave Sinclair Buick GMC, our customer service speaks for itself. Visit today. We're conveniently located at 5655 South Lindbergh Boulevard in St. Louis.